only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians here. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero masakit sa akin na namamatay yung mahihirap natin. Everything I do for you. Ako na nga pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Minababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What